In the blockchain space, there are a ton of hacks and exploits that happen on a yearly basis. Those of you that have been following this series, we go over some of the top vulnerabilities that happen in smart contracts. In today's video, we're going to be going over cross-function race conditions and how to actually mitigate this. My name's Anthony with the Blockchain Dojo, where we turn you into a blockchain ninja. If you learned something new, please like and subscribe and follow for more content. Let's get started. To get started, we first have to understand what a race condition is. So a race condition happens when the behavior of a program or smart contract depends on the relative timing of events, and those timing of events get misconstrued. So ultimately, it's when two functions are racing to meet or update variable or perform a function, which ultimately are conflicting with one another. In this example here, we actually have two functions. One is a transfer function, which takes in the to address and the amount, as well as a withdrawal balance, which is where a user can withdraw their funds. So the cross race condition actually occurs in this function here when someone calls the transfer and withdrawal at the same time, essentially when both of these functions are trying to update the same state variable at the same time. There also is, in case you didn't notice, a reentrancy vulnerability down here, where it sets the user's balance of msg.sender to 0 after the function call has already been made. So with this example, a bad actor can actually transfer funds and withdraw at the same time, causing this race conditions, essentially just causing a double spending. For this specific race conditions function, in order to fix it or mitigate it, all we need to do is actually just fix the reentrancy issue here by moving user's balance of msg.sender to above the external call. And that was a high-level overview of the cross-function race conditions and how to actually mitigate this. We did only go over one specific example. There are other cases and conditions where this can actually pop up. If you learned something new, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more content.